Hello everyone, my name is Adyan, my age 16 and 4th grade student and I student in Oxford Institute. Today my research is about the importance of books. I will try to talk about almost everything related to this topic. At the first, reading books have a great importance in a person's life, particularly the books on psychology.
Reading helps in self-development, develops and enriches the mind with information, and is also a key to acquiring knowledge and adaptation to others. And books develop one's intelligence as studying the mind of the opposite person. Books also help person gain the ability to communicate with people and know what they think. Books also provide a basis for person's self-confidence, as they make him possess enough information to confront this around him and discuss his ideas. Books have the ability to make persons special from others, as they make him respectful to others' opinion and receptive to their ideas, as well as make him love difference and passionate to learn more about different cultures and nationalities. You learn from your parents, love and fun, and who to put one food before the other. But when you open the books, you discover that you have wings by Helene Hutz.
Geceler kapkara zulmet her anım, ölüme beraber bir olaq, olmadı kısmet yoruldum. Geceler kapkara zulmet her anım, ölüme beraber bir olaq, olmadı kısmet yoruldum. Değişip bakışın
Hello everyone, my name is Adyan.
معهد أكسفورد القسم الإعلامي